Dear business owners, this video is for to improve your business efficiently as well as effectively. Our YouTube channel is My Factory Training. Please subscribe and share to your group for benefits of small factory and MSMEs factory owners. Let me introduce you myself. My name is Subhash Juneja with 30 years of working experience, currently working as Senior Manufacturing Consultant Implementer. Implementer means who handholds your shop floor team to implement improvement activities for your company growth. You can contact me at given mobile number. We don't push ideas, we create best solution for your company. Now you are my team. I will provide you the best solutions to implement easily. I am certified engineers, worked in different multinational companies like Johnson Control, Becton Dickinson, Saint-Gobain, and in automobile I worked with the Hero Group companies, and I also worked with the optical media manufacturing company Moser as a plant head positions. This video is for the business owner, for small, medium traders and exporters. We provide you quickly sustainable improvement activities as well as we give you the performance indicator for your company. This will be simple, practical implementation approach. Most important is the result will be visible within 4 visits when we are visiting to your factory. Now I will tell you about your pain areas. Normally, this is my experience. I observed, number 1, I am involved too much in the factory. Normally the business owners are involved too much in the factory, so they are not having a more focus towards the sales development. Customers are unhappy repeatedly. Store inventory is uncontrolled. Supplier rejections is not written, it is always lying in the store, and after 1 month time then it will be, the payment is paid to the supplier and that rejected material is in our store. No incoming inspection. Even though when I am releasing the purchase order, that is also not justified with the quantity, how much quantity I am releasing. Next pain areas are the production report I am not getting from my supervisor as well as from my worker. High rejections and rework. Dispatch failures frequently, and this leads to the customer complaints. Even sometimes the dispatch failure is I am not having a, let's suppose, a M10 bolt. So such a small quantity or a small pin is not available in the store, so then whole dispatch is not gone. Increment to my team is without performance monitoring. So this is something, how much I have given last year, so I will add up a few bucks and then I will release in this year without monitoring their performance. No coordination between the team, that also leads to the customer dispatch failures. From sales to the operation team, we are taking more than 24 hours for the communications. So my next is I am giving you these 5 tips for the improvements. So in this, the 1, 2 and 3 tips are very easy. You can implement yourself, or if you need our help, definitely we will visit to your factory. And 4 and 5th is at a high level, so it requires expertise support, where we have to make your, the indicators, we have to make some formats, we have to make some training programs. So there are multiple things which we have to conduct in your factory. So tip number 1, start with the systematic process layout. You start with your whole factory is working, so you have to make a systematic process layout. Put place for everything, and everything is on its place. So this is a culture we have to develop. Put yellow lines, it is must. Production plan versus actual must be display. Tip number 2 is dashboard display. Divide whole factory into the different zones, then monitor the best one as well as the bad one. So we have to improve the bad one. Plan versus actual output also we have to see, and we have to do some input in that to monitor as well as increase our output. Tip number 3, clean up the store. Incoming quality check. Purchase order quantity verification system is must. Material for sale order consumption, it is also required, because in particular sale order, if I am consuming more, so I can correct my quote for that particular item, so that next time the price will be increased because my material consumption is high. And tip number 4 and 5, as I already told you, it requires our support. I have mentioned these for all the 4 points in this. So if you require, you can also directly implement. Along with this, we are helping you for different segments. One is workplace improvements, report system improvements, quality improvements, productivity improvements, and inventory improvements. So there are some programs, as well as if you need any specific help or improvement area, you can also discuss or send us, and we will support you. We also create a small factory performance areas also with respect to the sale order targets. It basically we how to increase our sale, and then the production report dashboards, purchase dashboard, manpower and overtime controls, rejections, as well as the rework control. Let us connect with us, and we have mentioned our YouTube channel. This is my factory training, and my mobile number and email is there. Even the LinkedIn profile you can visit also. Thank you, and looking forward for your feedback.